DSS don deny Nnamdi Kanu lawyers and legal team with the family access to him again after Nnamdi Kanu exposed the Nigeria government fraudulent judiciary system to the general public of Igbo Madu. As it stand right now, they say those people they don't come again. Remember say na wetin they do anytime. Na the highest way they go fit do that man na to deny him access, keep am incommunicado, no go talk to anybody, no go talk to a legal team, no go talk to his family. Now wetin they do this time around as the lawyer Ejimako don come outside come tell the general public what is happening right now. I tell una say after this court Nigeria should be on fire because the world don't see the kind of government where these people they run. My people, the politics of Nigeria is to do and do affair something. If you don't win, either everybody they go pass everywhere. You understand? Everywhere goes scatter. So see this one now for Lagos. You see the kind God where they get for in hand, the kind kala where they go for in hand. You see now I be the speaker for inside Lagos, so you don't see him as they come catch him now. See the car, I will show you the video. Don't worry, we're going to take one after the other. As it start right now, consider the reaction of the Biafrans concerning what Fulani they do for inside the Ebonyi State, which I go play on the video. Me wanna hear from them. I hear what they talk. Stay tuned to watch from beginning to the end of this video, so that you understand everything and see how it they go.
Where is the Bago and Aguna Chamber and Udogachi when the Fulani herders attack Ebonyi State and raise off with fire many houses, killing over 20 Ebonyi State farmers? Where is Udogachi? Where is the Bago initiated by the governors? Where is Aguna Chamber initiated, formed by Charles Soludo, governor of Anambra State? Where are they? They are nowhere to be found because those are errand of Fulani boys, the errand boys of the Fulanis. I mean, Charlie Soludo. Yes, all of them. They are Fulani boys, and they can't allow real security outfits, Biafran people, Igbo people, endorsed to protect our forests, to be our forest guards. No, they would rather turn against them. Come in terms of police, using police and military officers to at least be fighting this ESN and the rest of Igbo security outfits in the bush. The governor of southeastern Nigeria, that the problem that region has today, right from onset, ranging from the time of Sisi Ono of Enugungbo. Sisi Ono of Enugungbo was forcefully made to win election of 1983 by Chagare and his Fulani cronies in the north, and actually that was short-lived by the then military junta that struck in the eve of 1983, December 31st, and took over Chagare regime. A Fulani motivated governor would have been the governor of the former Anambra State when we were together with Enugu and Ebonyi as a single state. But that administration of CCNO.
Take this statement from me and take this word. Why did I say this? You have never seen any Ebonyi man, Ebonyi people, Eastern people, and the North. Are you hearing me? But you've never seen any Igbo man or Igbo set or Igbo group rise to kill any life, to take life in the North, not to take life of their animals, not to talk more of burning their home. But you now left north to come to Ebonyi State and start to kill, and you tell me that I should calm down and I welcome you, that we are not accommodating. We accommodated you and you are killing us. Then you expect us to leave you. It's not going to work. We can only partner together if we have the same like mind, if you have the one understanding, if you have common understanding, common reasoning, we can stay together. But you people, your mentality is quite different from mine.
Come here wetin Asha Yusuf talk for this video wey I go still play you concerning the illegal arrest and the illegal detention of Nnamdi Kanu, violating fundamental right as a human being wey be. So let me play this video for you before we come show you wetin happen for Lagos. Stay tuned.
Visibly angry, and asking the question that why is it that when it comes to his case, the law is turned upside down. And I think every well-meaning Nigeria that believes in equity and justice? That's the question we all should also be asking. Why is it that when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu's case, the law is turned upside down? It's not about whether you like Nnamdi Kanu or you don't like Nnamdi Kanu or whatever it is that he's doing. That's not the issue. I mean, if people know me and Nnamdi Kanu, there's no love lost between us. We've had our public fights and all of that. Some of the way he does it, I totally do not, agree with them and stuff like that. But he has a right to ask that he wants his region to succeed, and then it's for the process to go through. And if you've arrested him and you said he's committed a crime or whatever it is that you've arrested him for, it behoves on you to follow the law to the letter and do the prosecution. If it turns out that he's guilty, you punish him. If it turns out that he's innocent, you free him and allow him to go. But we have a situation that for years on end, Kanu Nnamdi has been arrested. He was arrested before. He was kept for a very long time in jail. At the end of the day, there was really no judgment against him, no real prosecution against him. He was allowed to go, and then finally again he was brought in. He was rearrested again during Buhari's administration, and right now it's even this illegitimate administration, what's his name now, Tinubu, he has been here. It's almost 2 years. By May, to be 2 years that he was here. So that's to say, for 2 years, you've kept somebody incarcerated. You've not really had anything to do. He has said that the judge, your matter, go. Is it by force for her to be on the case? The issue, he has said, whether she has excused herself, he has asked for petition that she should not be, she's biased, she should not hold this case, which everybody has a right to. If you feel that a judge is biased towards you, you have a right to do that. What is going on? A lot of time, the same Nigerian court have said that he should be given bail. The Nigerian government refuses to give bail, and they come back to the same court again, and the whole charade of nonsense continues. I mean, it's frustrating, it's annoying. That's not the way you do things. Everything is all about justice and equity. The right thing must be done at every time. Whether you like someone, whether you don't like someone, it doesn't matter. What matters is justice and equity, and the right thing must be done. And I think at this point, really, every Nigerian, we should be asking the Nigerian government, why is it that when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu's case, you turn the law upside down? Why is it that the law is not followed to the letter? Why is his own case different? What is it? What is it? In short, I'm just remembering that Mr. Wedding said, haven't you done enough? What is it? What is it? The right thing must be done at all times, and that's it. And everybody must be treated equally. That's what is called rule of law. You don't apply rule of law differently to different people just because you feel like it or you want to do. No, this is not the case. And so please, whatever, if he has committed a crime, he has committed, fine. You have him there, charge him to court, prosecute him. If he's guilty, sentence him, let him face the full wrath of.
That's all. So please, just keep it to the side. Convert it to Anna, please stay there. Command seems going to come and take inventory of it now. That's all. So please.
You see that bag where they see that place? Now waiting politicians, they carry give all those boys. May they take the work for them. And tomorrow, when they find where insecurity is coming from, they are the one who are bringing insecurity to our lands. Now, when I don't say as it did happen, Nigeria they have nothing to offer me and you. If you like, believe them. If you like, no believe them. If you like, they say na your neighbor, every people they do you. Nigeria get nothing to offer us. Only thing we go offer us now wait when me and you do agreement. Then when we agree on one thing, me and you, we be black, you, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, and other ethnic group waiting for Nigeria, agree on one thing, then we'll sign them. If they go across that one, maybe we'll waka go here, go UK, go white man, we don't build in land. The contract say, this person won't violate this rule. No, we go sit down and talk about them and do them well. Now the only solution we go fit bring change to Nigeria. If not, say you continue the clamor one Nigeria, you go shut and pass. Your children go born, their own children go come pass. Nigeria never see better. Mark this word. There's no solution. Anybody coming out to tell you, pastors, prophet coming out to tell Nigeria is going to good next year, that person is deceiving himself. There is no way. And if people that live in Nigeria are not strong people, they are not hardworking people. That country, you go carry food, person go cut your hand, you go collect the food live. Now wetin support, because say people dey try to dey put food for their table. That's why these politicians dey get away with everything wey they dey do. Abeg, make dem reason Nnamdi Kanu. They don dey talk am now, they say no. Nnamdi Kanu is not like other people that people have write down in your history that they say no, una say no. Una before they talk, una don kpai am. No be for where Nnamdi Kanu dey o, make una carry that one for mind. This one no be wetin the third person say make they calm down, there will be peace. There is no peace. Release that man now. As we don talk o, this na message wey dey come from above. Now we dey drop give one, and also una no dey believe for. That's why we no dey present ourselves like prophet or pastors. Abeg share this video.